I'm thinking one of the things that's critical is alignment of mandates. Most of the mandates that we carry, if we are holding funds on behalf of institutional investors, they well, I don't know how to put this across, but we have a lot of Eurocentric thinking embedded in the way that we craft even the mandates themselves. You know, they are designed to solve European type of retirement solutions if you're in the pension fund setup. And you have African retirement models that need African solutions, but we are, you know, just taking templates and we are putting them in there. So I'm thinking even in terms of the mandates that we have, we need mandates that have a lot more collective and social impact, you know, feel attached to them, so that in the way that we are investing on behalf of all these, you know, whether it's a DFI, it's a sovereign wealth fund, we have, you know, the continent at heart. So I believe most of the mandates that we carry in most of these institutional investors are very misaligned. They don't have the continent's progress at heart. And I'm also looking at, you know, just the idea of creating collaborative platforms where opportunities are shared. Most of the times, opportunities that are within Southern Africa are rarely accessible to someone who's in East Africa. And opportunities in East Africa are also not accessible, probably maybe to someone who's in West Africa. So I suppose because we sit at that point of intersection as charter holders, a charter holder sitting in West Africa, sitting in Southern Africa, sitting in East Africa, North Africa, is not someone who's really, you know, someone foreign to these kinds of thinking. So I think our societies also need to have these kinds of platforms where opportunities are available, and we discuss collaborative ways in which so our advocacy needs to actually also be very structured. So when we are advocating, what's informing the advocacy? What are the problems that we intend? If we centralize these problems and we know them to be African problems, then our advocacy then is a bit more focused. So I still believe we are doing advocacy, but I think it needs to be a bit more tailored for Africa. Those could be some of the things that I've noticed which could work in our favor.